Thank you for joining us for this watercoloring demonstration of cat. We will be showing how we've painted this. The colors we shall be using: ivory black, fluorescent orange, vermilion hue, red, Chinese white, lemon yellow, violet, sky blue, brown, and A5 size medium texture watercoloring sheet. Let's begin. Like always, start our painting by drawing a skeleton of the calf. Now, roll over the brush along the boundaries by taking water as a medium. Let's take a little bit of lemon yellow and brown solvent and significantly dilute with fluorescent orange in consistency. Use fluorescent orange along with dark brown at the edges of the calf's ears to gain a gradient look. In order to look more realistic, let's have a shadow effect by increasing brown saturation. Care should be taken for trunk outlines. For more outline info, check out on the above link. Now, we shall use vermilion hue mix with brown foreleg portion. Now let's tone by rolling over water on the surface using fluorescent orange solvent. To give more naturalistic, let's set watercolorings over the boundaries. As we keep saying, art has no limit, and this is not the only way to approach watercoloring. This is just one approach from one artist. There are so many options and possibilities with art. So we hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like if you did, and be sure to subscribe for more watercolor painting, time lapses and tutorials. We are wishing you all a beautiful and inspiring day, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!